Thank you, Manisha. That was, I think, too much of my introduction, but I'm pleased. And I would like to thank IPGA, the apex body of pulses, for giving me this opportunity. So I'll go to my presentation for this now. I hope this is visible. So the Kharif pulses sowing area was marginally up by 1.6% this year. Good and timely rainfall in June supported the Kharif planting. However, the lull monsoon rain in the late June and till mid of July impacted the sowing pace. The rainfall has been 8.4% lower till now in like end of August. When we talk about the June weather, it started well. The June rainfall is about 11% surplus, but in the mid of June, it suddenly disappeared and monsoon began on a weaker note in Rajasthan and Gujarat. So how did this impact the planting? The planting was timely in Maharashtra and South India, slightly behind schedule in UP and MP, but delayed in Rajasthan and Gujarat by 10 to 15 days. July weather went on 10% deficit because, as I mentioned, there was this gap from 15th June to 20th June, and sorry, 15th, 20th June to 15th, 17th of July. And this lull of rainfall actually halted the planting progress. And even a lot of pulses crops are not taken on later on, say post end of June or early July. Generally, pulses crops are harvested in mid of September, end of September. So then they don't take it. Though from mid-July, the rain started improving and they covered most part of India, supporting the crop, whatever was sown. August. Now this is very interesting. So August overall rainfall is 27.2% deficient. And as far as the water table is concerned, I think a lot of areas might have a water table issues for the Rabi crop. But as far as the Kharif crop is concerned, the distribution of rainfall was good. There were routine showers in major central India and southern India. So this has helped the Kharif pulses crop in major of the central and southern India, except Rajasthan and Gujarat, where there has been dryness, and we have been seeing that central Rajasthan, West Rajasthan, North Gujarat have generally been being deficit on rainfall throughout from the start of the season. So I think the crops there are having a problem. Crops in central India and Maharashtra are still good, and crops in south are again good. As you can see, generally the rainfall has been good in Maharashtra and south, satisfactory in Madhya Pradesh, but deficit in west or central Rajasthan and in North Gujarat. So pulses area, I think majorly all the pulses areas remained same except Tuar, which was majorly increase in Karnataka by 14%. That caused the Tuar acreage to go up. Also, the government numbers for Moong is around the same, but as per as the traders and the ground report says, they are saying Rajasthan area could be at least lower by 20 to 25%, and maybe there is some some calculation mistake on this because the rainfall was not good in central Rajasthan, and they feel that the sowing could not happen. I'll go to Udad. The early start of monsoon facilitated timely Udad planting. Government hiked the MSP to 6,300 from 6,000. Well-timed rain in MP, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, which accounts for about 70% of the all India crop, had boosted the crop prospects. Rather, some end moment shift happened in Udad in MP, which came from soybeans. But I would say that increase got kind of offsetted with yield losses that happened in extreme rains in North MP, which is near Ashoknagar and Vidisha belt. On account of similar acreage and I would say overall satisfactory yields, the crop production for Udad seems to be same or slightly higher from the last year. Udad import last year was from Jan to May was 227K. This year is 109K. Moong beans. Rajasthan is about 60% of the moong crop of the country. Government increased the MSP to 72.75 from 71.96. Rajasthan planting was delayed. Crop in Rajasthan is still struggling because the rains is not satisfactory. Crop development in southern and Maharashtra, which is again has a little bit of area of move. But I would say again, on account of poor crop prospects in Rajasthan, which is the bigger area, the overall crop might go slightly lower than last year. Only this crop would have been going more lower, but South and Maharashtra crop prospects are good. So that is why the production might not fall down drastically. And as I mentioned again earlier, that the Rajasthan area, according to our reports, is showing at least 20 to 25% reduction from last year. Moong import this year is 65,000 from Jan to May. Tur. The early start of monsoon facilitated tur planting. There is a significant increase in Karnataka. I would say rather MP and Maharashtra also has seen a slight increase. Rainfall continues to be normal and nice in the southern states and Maharashtra. So overall, tur crop prospect seems to be good. Yes, we will have to observe the weather for the next 3-4 months. And if it all goes well, then we might have a good tur crop. Tur import till Jan to May has been about 100K versus last year's 90K. Now, the next 2 weeks weather. So the first map that we see is for the next week, or the week starting from today to the next to 7 days, which has, I would say, more rains towards the east of India and maybe little of eastern Maharashtra. But from 4th to 12th September, we see a good widespread rain in central India, that is western Maharashtra, western Madhya Pradesh, central Maharashtra, or complete Maharashtra. So this might aid a good last minute boost to the crop, but yes, might delay the crop also a little bit. So the conclusion, monsoon started early, but had an abrupt gap between 15 June to 15 July, which curtailed the expansion of area. Only tur area is higher than last year. Though rainfall was deficit, as I mentioned earlier, the deficit rainfall did not bother major of the MP, Maharashtra and southern state crops because the distribution of rainfall was very good. For the Kharif crop, so overall the Kharif crop has prospered well, except Rajasthan and Gujarat. And we would say still similar or slightly higher pulses sowing could not magnify into a big production. Crop prospects, just to summarize, Udad seems to be same or slightly better. Moong seems to be slightly poor because of Rajasthan. And tur, as of now, the prospect seems to be slightly better. Thank you.